keep in mind this is how it came off the truck, and I put it.
What up, brothers, familia? Hello, everybody. As you guys read on the title, oh, I need a new battery. Alright guys, I'm back, but anyways, for all you new users, my name is BeDistinct. If you guys look at my past videos, we pretty much got an OEM stock G35 and built it to what it is here right now. It's a supercharged G35 with a couple cosmetic mods and whatnot. That being said, we've been looking for a new build to add to the channel, and we decided a while back that we believe that the Nissan Z will be the best fit to continue on the legacy in this channel. With that being said, today is the last video that I will be posting before I go pick up my Nissan Z, which is this Thursday, guys. How exciting is that? I do not want you guys to miss delivery day on this Nissan Z, so go ahead, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so you guys get alerted when I post a video. I will be flying. For those who are interested, I know a lot of big YouTubers don't do this because they don't want to get bombarded, but hey, I'm gonna let you guys know. I live in California. I will be picking up my Nissan Z. It's not in California, it is actually in Arizona. So this message goes to everybody that lives in Arizona that has been supporting the channel or is a new viewer. I will be landing from California, from Sacramento to Phoenix on October 6th. I leave here around 12 something and I will be arriving there 2:35. That's what the itinerary says. You guys already know plane flights get delayed and whatnot. So 2:35 is the promised time to get there. Nissan is gonna come pick me up from the airport and drive me to their dealer. What dealer it is? It's pronounced Peoria Nissan, I believe. I don't know, Arizona people help me out, but it's Peoria. Here's a little screenshot of the dealer. That is where my Nissan Z is at. That's where I'll be picking it up. I'm estimating somewhere around 2:45 to 3 p.m. I'll be there with the Nissan Z, taking delivery, taking pictures, and filming and doing all that. Now, I do not know absolutely anybody in Arizona. I know a couple Instagram people that I follow from Arizona, but I don't know personally. So I don't know if there's gonna be a car meet that day or anything, but if I don't know anything that's gonna go on, I'm pretty much just gonna drive it back to California because I do have a couple scheduled appointments in California that I have to do with the Z and shoot and install a couple parts to it. Before I go take delivery, the salesman, Matt, a huge shout out to Matt for helping me with the whole process. He did it very easy. He went ahead and sent me a quick video of my 400Z, I always want to say 400, of my Nissan Z in Arizona, and here's that clip for you guys.
This is Matt over at Peoria Nissan. So like I said, I'm going to send you this video. Please keep in mind this is how it came off the truck, and I put it right in here. So I have the key, I just unlocked it. Look at that. 400Z, man. So again, we're gonna put it through detail and everything. We're probably gonna do it the day of. So with you flying in around 2 o'clock, we're gonna do it in the morning, wash it up, get it fully detailed. So then right when you show up, it's immaculate. And I'm probably right after I detail it, I'm gonna put it right back in here too. But yeah, man, this thing is absolutely beautiful. So there you go. So I don't know if I should leave the wrapping on the seats. I'm probably not, but yeah, it's super clean. So I look forward to you coming down, man, and I'll definitely pick you up at the airport and we'll go from there. But yeah, if you need anything from me, let me know. I'm excited for you to take delivery, drive this car home all the way to California, and then yeah, have a lot of fun with it. Alrighty, brother, I'll talk to you soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
That is the Nissan Z we will be picking up this Thursday. We have a detail scheduled for the car when we get back to California, and we have one huge mod install on the Z already. Yeah, guys, we're taking delivery of the Nissan Z. Super exciting. And another thing that I saw on Instagram kind of roaming around recently, which I'm kind of spooked about a little bit. Somebody posted a video of them POV in the Nissan Z manual transmission. You guys don't know, the automatics have been put on hold, on pause. That is because they were having some issue with the electronic parking brake, with the e-brake. They were having some kind of issue, so they pretty much put a pause on the automatic ones to be rolled out, right? So the manuals were good to go, right? So that's why the manuals are kind of popping in and out here and there. But recently, somebody put this video right here, guys. a Nissan Z manual transmission having transmission issues. Apparently it won't be able to go into second gear somehow. Hopefully that was only his car. Not that I'm condoning any negative energy here, but hopefully that was only that car, and hopefully it isn't an issue with all the Zs. I'm praying to God that I do not have a lot of issues with this car, considering it is brand new. But yeah, dude, I saw that video and I was like, holy crap, dude. Hopefully we don't have that problem. But yeah, guys, that's it. Quick little video. Just wanted to give you guys kind of information here where I will be at, where the delivery date will be at, when I'm picking it up, and everything, the information, and just a little small little clip of my car. I haven't seen it in person, but it's very exciting to see it in video, and we'll have it here in the garage very soon. So thank you guys for all the support. We finally have a second build on the channel. Thank you guys very much for all the support. Like I said, subscribe to the channel, click the bell so you get notified when I take delivery of the Z, and I'll catch you guys on delivery day. Have a beautiful week. Catch you guys later. Peace out, guys. Love you guys.